Whoa. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. I don't know what happened there. All right, everybody. We're here at Monroe Truck Trail in the foothills above Glendora, California. And I'm here with my buddy Eric. This is our first times here. Oh, she was wet. Oh man. Oh shit. Crazy. Oh, it's pretty rocky, huh? Yeah. That's gonna be a fun downhill. Nice little creek right there. Whoa. Crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. I never went through water before. It's a good thing I got these new tires. So this trail is about 7 miles upward. So round trip is going to be 14 miles total. Oh, so looking forward to it. This is a crazy blue line trail. Oh shit. More water. Oh, crazy. Got a long way uphill. Okay, we made it halfway up the mountain. I think it's halfway up the mountain. Check out this nice view above the San Fernando Valley. Okay, we finally made it to the top of the trail. That's Mount Baldy, you said? Mount Baldy. Time for the downhill section now on the Monroe Trail. Hopefully I can keep up with my buddy Eric. Oh shoot, I gotta change the gears. Eric's blasting down on his Specialized bike, dual suspension. Oh, oh, that was a little scraper. Oh, yes. Really powdery. Whoa, technical section right here. Oh, that was a little drop. All right. Oh, all right. All right. Whew. All right. I'm on my hardtail GT bike. So you feel every bump out here. Whoa. Go over these little rock formations right here. Don't stop. Just find your line. All right, nice view of the mountain to your right. Man. Shit. Oh man, that's tough. These branches really grab at you. Shit. Oh man. All right. It's gonna be a good long, it's about at least 20-minute downhill, since it was like a good hour and a half ride up, or it's more like 2 hours for me. Just hang on. All right. Maneuver the bike. Drop your seat. Whoa. All right. Watch the turns. Let them maneuver the bike. Don't let the bike maneuver you. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Crazy little ruts right there. That's what they're called. Whoa. This is a narrow trail. Whoa. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. All right. All right. Oh shit. Whoa. Whoa. All right. Brakes are holding up good. Whoa. 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 Oh man. We're about halfway downhill, or down the trail. Drop your seats. Oh, nice view up ahead. Oh yeah. Eric's kicking some rocks at me. These tires make a big difference.
Oh yeah, you feel it?
Yeah, heck yeah. I got much more grip.
Yeah.
I'm not slipping as much on this loose rock. Tires is the key on a good trail. Nice little turn right there. A lot of nice little turns,
Yeah.
little snake turns. Whoa, that was bumpy right there. Whoa. All right, good job. All right. Heck yeah. That's a ride. Whoa. Real rocky. Sweet. Hi, thank you. All right. Alright, nice little turn right there. Yeah. Whew. Oh, nice. Yeah, good job, Eric. I would have done it, but didn't want to. Okay, thank you. No, that's it. A lot of people on the trail this morning. Well, actually not too much considering how long this trail is. So like I was saying on the way up here, I think I got on video, it's a 7-mile hike up, or 6 miles, so 12 miles round trip. It's a blue line trail, the only trails I really stick to for now. It's really probably the most technical trail I've been on, and this is the this is the longest downhill I've done. Also, it's about at least a 20-minute downhill. Nice views. Oh shit. All right. Thanks, guys. Morning. All right. Oh shit, that was the. I went. What do you call it right there? Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Thank you too. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Nice little dip right there. Another dip. Yeah. Another crazy dip. Whoa. Crazy. Stay on this side. You don't want to die. Oh, what a great trail. These tires are really working it today. Oh, here's the technical part. Oh, shit. Excuse me, sir. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right. Eric's gonna do the little drop off right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Try it. It's pretty easy.
Actually, yeah, I'll probably try it right now. Let me just have my body stop from vibrating. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's cool. I'm glad I was able to do that little section right there. Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Well, that was a real good test on this bike.
Yeah.
I haven't been on a trail that long, that difficult on this bike so far. Yeah. That was really cool.
How is the suspension working?
It's not too bad. I don't know if the little adjustment I did anything, but if I felt okay on there.
Yeah.
Huh?
It was feeling like 5 minutes.
What do you mean?
You know, it took 21 minutes to get to this point.
Oh,
Downhill.
oh yeah.
But it was feeling like shorter time.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, you're right. It didn't feel like that long. Yeah. Crazy. Gotta follow you. All right. Took a little quick break. Time to get back to it. Nice little turn right here. Whoa, crazy. Didn't mean to do that part right there, but glad I did it. Yeah. Oh shit. Switchback. Oh, yeah. Whoa, yeah, nice turn right there. Yeah. All right. Oh, yeah, oh. Yeah. Oh. All right. Whoa. Whoa. All right. Oh, I almost made that. All right. All right. I could go over these rocks pretty good, more than I ever have before. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, I couldn't get a hold of the brakes that time. Oh, hang in there. Doing good so far. It's real easy to get lazy and not hold on to your handlebars, or forget to bend your knees. Such a long downhill. Whoa. Oh. All right. Oh, watch the tree. Oh. Uh-oh. The water. Oh. All right. All right, here gets a little technical again. Oh. More water. Whoa. 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 Gee. Almost made it 100%. Oh, man. I'm about to look into that. Another water hazard right there. Here's the little technical part. Oh. Just because we're at the bottom doesn't mean it gets easier. Whoa. All right. Going through more water. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh shoot. This is a long water one. Whoa. Don't get wet. Yeah. All right. That was a long water hazard right there. Whoa. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh man. It's all good. Swimming with the bike. Whoa. Mini Black Diamond Trail. Maybe. Whoa. Another water hazard. Whoa. Oh. All right. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Damn it. Lost my momentum. All right, here it goes. All right, all right. Push it up. All right. I didn't have enough momentum to go over that water, so I had to go backwards. Another water hazard. Whoa. All right. Whew. Whoa. Whoa. All right. Now you know what BKXC was like on his trails. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, oh shit, oh man, oh, I don't know what happened there. It's all good though. What do you know? Another water hazard. Alright. Alright, made it to the end of the trail. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see you on my next trail.